Your vehicle is not only responsible for keeping you and your passengers safe, it also has to do its part to help keep the planet safe. Most people think their car's exhaust system is designed only to reduce noise, but it's also accountable for reducing harmful emissions from entering the atmosphere. As your car is aging, are you experiencing excess noise? It could be from a number of sources in your exhaust system, including cracks or holes in manifolds, gaskets, pipes, or the muffler itself. To find out for sure where the noise is coming from, just bring it in. We can not only locate it, we can fix it too. Properly functioning mufflers and exhaust systems not only sound better, they are better for you, your passengers, your car, and the environment.
Ram Country Toyota. Schedule your service appointment online or give us a call today. We're located at 3617 Highway 90 West in Del Rio, Texas.